This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making barbecue 5-spice chicken in an air fryer. I have here a small chicken, about 800 grams. I needed a small enough chicken to fit into my air fryer. But you can use some other chicken parts instead, like the drumsticks and the thighs. For this recipe, you can also use a normal oven if you are using a bigger chicken. For the marinade, grate 1 teaspoon of ginger, one teaspoon of garlic, one teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, one tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, marinate the chicken. Rub the chicken thoroughly, including the insides and under the skin. Set the chicken aside to marinate in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Take the chicken out of the fridge for about an hour or so to allow it to return to room temperature before cooking. Put the chicken in an air fryer at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. If you are using chicken parts or a larger chicken, adjust your cooking time accordingly. Meanwhile, prepare the basting sauce. Mix together 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, one tablespoon of honey, quarter teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, baste the chicken halfway through the cooking process, and again at about 5 minutes before the chicken is done. The chicken is cooked when the juices of the chicken from the thickest part runs clear. This is 5-spice chicken done in an air fryer.